Okay, let's get her rolling. Wait, wire's not coming out. Josh, darn it! I'm out of wire. I am Joshua Biderman, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be changing the spool of wire in my Titanium 200 Unlimited multi-process welder. We'll be using Lincoln Electric NR211MP, my preferred Fluxcore wire. The best deal I've found on it so far is on Amazon, so check the link in the description and go buy yourself a spool today if you're running low. We will be using .035 wire. To me, that's a great all-around size. It'll weld thin enough to weld exhaust pipe, but it'll also weld thick enough to weld 3/8 plate in a single pass. Now, some people don't care much for Fluxcore wire, but I've had excellent luck with it. I've gone through several spools and have nothing but good things to say about it. You take a wire brush to the little bit of residue left behind, and you can hardly tell the difference between a MIG weld and a Fluxcore weld. I highly recommend it. This was just a short video of me changing the spool in my welder. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will post again soon. Check out these two videos on the Titanium 200. In the one, I do an unboxing review, and in the other, I go over the 5 problems I've had over 2 years of use and ownership.